C underscore Azzy. B underscore Azzy. Azzy clear. Oh, Azzy stands for asynchronous. Okay, got it.
Good deal.
Yeah. Okay. Q1. Oh, we're using lowercase q now. Q1 underscore sin. Oh, you're right. 0 underscore sin. Q1 underscore sin. 2 underscore sin. Almost done. So I guess now we have to recompile it, huh? Yeah.
So you used letters for this and numbers for that?
Looks like it. I'm not sure why he wanted us to do it that way, but that's what he put. So
all right, cool.
Okay, so let's
Once
recompile.
Again, letters here, numbers there. Word.
We're using capital letters for the asynchronous and lowercase q's for the synchronous. I guess that's just so we can tell the symbols apart more easily when we simulate. I'm guessing.
All right.
I don't know. This is exciting.
Communication, man. It's key.
It's true. True story. Oh no, we lost Gershon.
Things to do while we're compiling.
Yeah. On guard.
Take some shots.
Yeah, right. Did you bring any liquor?
No, I
I'm gonna start doing that.
I was hoping you did.
Compile shot.
Oh yeah. After every 3 minutes, we'll take a shot.
Have you seen Social Network?
I have seen The Social Network. After 10 lines of code, take a shot.
Jeez, I would write really long lines of code. Alright, what are we doing? Oh yeah, so we've compiled it, and now we're going to go to, let's see if I can remember this. Tools. Run EDA simulation tool, gate level simulation. Awesome. Run that sucker. Okay. Crap.
What's that all about?
I don't know.
Was it
What
because
happens
we
if we
changed?
try a different?
Is it because we changed our outputs?
I don't think so. I'm guessing this is a weird bug. Well, I guess we can look at the. We can look at this log file. I'm gonna try restarting Quartus.
Word. I'm down with that.
Oh, I bet it's because this was still open. Oh. Well,
Sure you want to quit?
it's too late.
Too late now.
Open existing project. Great.
It's right there.
No, that was the one that was
The
weird.
no good one?
Yeah.
The corrupted file?
Yeah.
Quote
Here we
unquote.
are. Yep. Cool. All right, let's try it again. Cool.
Crazy how that just happens.
Yeah, so I'm betting it was because we had the old simulation window open.
Right.
We can try again before we leave this lab.
It looks like it's already in nanoseconds, but not by 100.
Yeah. So how do we change that? We had.
You want to add, or was it file and objects?
No, it was something else. Runtime options. There it is.
All right, cool. Runtime options. Here we come.
Didn't change anything. Oh, because it needs to be NS.
Yeah.
I know. I want to fix it. What is wrong with you?
Computer's just been crappy today, dude.
Oh my god.
Exit it out. Open it up again.
Yep. Jeez, that's brutal. Alright, note to self. Do not mess up that runtime window.
Oh man, that's rad.
Oof.
Rad Max. I'm
Well,
just calling you that.
that's gonna go in the conclusion for sure. Alright. So what we just learned, Gershon, is if you type in anything besides NS after this, or something that doesn't have an S at the end, it will just mess up on you, and
It'll jam up.
it'll
and not let you
ruin
do
your whole
anything
thing.
else.
Yeah. So let's never do that.
I don't want to be jammed
Yeah,
up.
by the way, that's what I was wondering. How did you get the... Oh, you just dragged DigitalxIIxLabx4 open?
I don't know what I did.
I thought you just hit the add button. Oh, well, nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, see if you can...
Maybe.
You just double click.
Double clicking. Okay. Double clicking is what did that.
Double clicking.
Okay.
But of course.
All right. Great. Well, there's all our symbols. So, what do we want to drop in there, guys?
What to say?
That says drag names in object window to the wave window to see waveforms during action. So I think it's up to us what we want to look at.
As far as values go, is what we're referring to.
Q1.
Yeah. Well, we definitely have to put in the inputs according to this.
Q1 and
All right.
So
Oh, Q0.
they're right there. Q3, Q2, Q1. For some reason, none of the uppercases survived. That's kind of interesting. Look at this. All this is lowercase.
That's what you put in.
Yeah, you did put in
Yeah.
lowercase, I believe. When it showed up on the display, it looked like lowercase. Yeah, lowercase.
Heck no, look at that. That's a capital.
That's
It's
a cap.
capital Q.
Oh, well, I was talking about the letters following.
Oh.
I was referring to the letters following Q.
Yeah, I'm saying, look at that. Those capital Qs. They are not.
Oh, yeah,
they
yeah,
are now
the top
lowercase. Okay.
And the bottom ones are different.
All right. So good thing we use the numbers too. All right. So we definitely need to put in the inputs. So, Krishan, you want to try that?
Start with
So what are our
whichever one.
inputs? Yeah. What are our inputs? Take a look at it. Oh, sorry.
Nav and clock.
Yep. Yeah. So let's drag them in.
They were just trying anything.
Yeah. Okay. Seems to work. Cool. Hang on, I'm going to expand this window so we can actually see the names. There we go. And we should probably, you know what, let's just get all of them. Let's just get everything. So,
Can you just do control?
That'd be nice.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, we want syn load too. And as clear. Oh, okay. All right, yeah. That's a bunch of inputs, or outputs. Okay, and then we're going to right-click on node in object window and do either force or clock on inputs. So I'd say start with enable. And we're probably going to want to force that one. No, in the other window.
The wave window?
The wave window, yeah.
Right click.
Start with an out.
Force. It says 1, which makes sense. Because 1 is a 0. What?
Delay
Does
4.
that make sense? Don't you want it to be 0?
Delay for 0 seconds?
No, just because. Okay, so what I think force does is it makes. So value is going to be 1, is what it wants.
So here, put value 1.
Yeah, and so I think what that means is we're just going to set that input to 1. Okay? So that enables both counters. Yeah? Okay. It's weird that it still says U, but whatever. Checking it? Huh? Okay. Yeah. And then clock, we need to set clock to, yeah, so you're going to do the same thing except with clock. But no, you're still on enable. So go to clock, and you're going to tell it clock, not force.
Force, clock. It's underneath, no force. 2 more down.
So force makes it something constant, and then clock is going to make it something that shifts every so often. Great. Okay.
10 period.
And all we care about is the period. Yeah. So 10 nanoseconds, and let's not forget the NS, because it will not like that. All right. Great. Cool. Says now we can run. So wherever the run button is. Don't know.
Run.
Yeah, there's
There
a
it
run.
is.
Run 100. Bloop.
That's it?
Didn't like it. It stopped clocking like right about here.
Oh yeah, that's 1 nanosecond. So if we put 2, we'll go 2 maybe.
Well, okay, it's okay, yeah, try it, see what happens. That's
It's the force.
Value 2. Oh, it was on our clock.
Period.
oh, that's weird, it didn't take. It's supposed to be 10 NS.
Try to, did you click OK? Probably did.
Oh.
Was it supposed to be forced?
First edge, rising or falling.
Or is it?
Well, we want it to be rising.
Logic values high.
We're just, yeah, the problem is it's not accepting our changes.
What if I put just 10?
Oh, yeah, give it a try.
You gotta go to run. You gotta go to run. Isn't that what you did last time you ran?
Maybe it's because we are running.
Yeah, go to run.
Well, but nothing's going to change. Hang on. Oh, Swagger's busy with stuff.
Yeah, stop button. See them.
Yeah, it's not.
Grayed out.
It's not highlighted.
We need to define how it should be crossover, right? Click on node and object on node. You see node? Where's the node?
There, it's some clocks.
Oh, hello. What did you do?
Try to see if you can expand
I
this.
just did it again. Run 100.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
keep cruising.
Yeah, let's do that a few more times.
Is it the
Okay.
same?
It's going 100 every time.
Yeah,
Because
it's
they did not
looking,
change their. I don't know.
hey, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's
actually.
looking pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, we
It
got a
should be
couple of
right.
periods. Actually, I
Yeah.
think we're good. I think let's right now go to wave zoom full. Yeah. Zoom.
Zoom down there before the first. Right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's exactly what I was supposed to do originally.
That's sexy. Oh yeah, there it goes.
Look at that clock.
That is our clock. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's make sure that it's mod 12. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did I start with 0?
No, you stuck at 1.
Like 3 times.
Oh, that'd be here. That'd be this one. Yeah. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, and so on and so forth. And we get the reset right before 12. Cool.
Right on.
Oh, you see what we did here? We ran it
Run.
multiple times, anyways.
Yeah.
So I think that might have made a difference.
Well, something definitely changed between, like, so this was the first time we clicked run, right? Was this block.
Yeah.
And then the second
It was more
time,
like this block was the first time.
Yeah.
well,
that was-
then we zoomed.
Oh, this was zeros, and then the second block is when it
So
started.
we had,
So can we clear that out and do it again?
so yeah, right? That was our first run. So I
Yes.
think whatever we did here must have somehow actually changed it, even though it didn't
Well, this is enable.
change that number. It actually did change to a 10 nanosecond. Go figure. Okay, yeah, let's see if we can clear it.
I don't think that's an equation.
Uh,
You know, with enable minus 4.
clear. Waves.
Salmon.
That's what I think is.
Move on.
Underwater removal.
But wait,
Let's try
when
that
we went to
later.
enable, can you go back there again and see? Oh, it's giving us one. No.
For here?
Things changed.
Oh yeah, dude, I didn't even see that.
Cool. Cool.
Can we, does this yellow line move? It looks like it should.
Yeah, you can put it wherever you want.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and he's changing.
And it's changing with it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just like the iPad.
Hang on, I'm gonna go back to Zoom full because I just want to see it do its thing. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Goodness. Counting.
And the top one stays one. Throughout.
Modulo.
So what is that? Oh, that's the enable.
That's the
right?
enable. Yeah. So I bet if we set the enable to oscillate too, we'd see some other interesting results. Anyone want to try that?
Why not?
Awesome.
Put it 0?
So we're going to go to enable, and instead of going to force, we're going to go to clock.
Wait,
Yeah, just go to clock. I think that's fine.
falling?
Nope, that's good. Just leave it as it is.
Really?
Yeah. It's going to work, trust me. Okay. And then how do we clear? We still need to figure out how to clear.
Is there a pause or something?
I feel like wave, like new wave or something. Wave editor.
See what the options in the wave editor are.
Or maybe it's file.
Maybe he has to remove.
I'm a little nervous about what remove all is going to do, but we can try it.
I don't want to.
We won't be
Since
able
we're
to go
basically
back.
done. We're basically done at this point, so now we're just messing around.
Dick around mode.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to remove all, we can just do it again. Why not? You know what we're doing now, right?
Yeah, but I want to see new first. See what happens when you try file new. Nope. Bullshit. Yeah. Anything what?
Is it that?
We printed it in the next room, so not us. Keep asking.
Yeah, we printed from
What about
the other room.
Try reset. Layout reset.
and within the other
It's
room.
gonna reset the layout. Well, try it. See what happens. Yeah.
Nope.
Nope.
Still there.
All right. Try remove all. See what happens.
Oh, none of these do anything? What about this X here? Is that just going to take away the window?
Yeah. Which isn't necessarily a bad thing.
Yeah,
Run
sure.
with it for now. Yeah.
It's floating. Yeah.
Where was I? 12. I even forgot where we were when I.
When we had remove all, I think it
Yeah.
was wave. Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, well.
What'd you
almost.
do? What
It was the
happened?
same thing.
It did in fact.
remove all.
Well, it got us what we wanted.
Oh, it was remove all?
But there's got to be a better way to do that.
Was it remove all that you clicked?
Yep.
Alright.
From so simulate 100 again? Or?
Well, we don't have any
Well, we were
objects in the
supposed to
wave
change
window.
something.
Yeah, so we have to put them back now, I think.
Enable.
Do you remember how we did that?
Clock. Just point. Drag it over.
We gotta drag them over, yeah.
Wait. Drag. Oh.
Yeah. From her.
You hit control. And you went for everything, right?
What the hell?
We had all of the cues, everything that was Q. We also had
Sync
sim
load.
mode, ASCII clear.
Enable, right? Enable.
We were missing, and then
And
also clock and Q0 sin. We had too. All right, yep, that's all.
No
of them.
ground.
That's
Maybe
all of
the
them.
ground
Ground is
is
just gonna be
gonna
zero the
set
whole
us to
time.
zero.
Ground is gonna be super boring.
I like boring.
Oh, you're welcome to bring it in. I don't. We're done
all
with the
good,
lab.
dude.
Do
It's
what you
all
want to do. Yeah.
Oh look, you just popped them right back up, dude.
Okay. Can I drive for a sec? Okay, cool. Simulate. I want to try this. End simulation. No, I don't want to quit simulation. Simulate. Maybe start simulation. No. Uh-oh. What'd I do? It's one of these things, I'm sure, of it break. Let's get rid of this. We don't need that window at all, really. It's all gonna be this window now. Maybe I can.
Delete. Just highlight everything and delete.
Maybe
Well, it's
this-
down the layout.
Okay.
Where
I'm
it
ready.
says simulate. Can you see there's something to stop it?
Yeah.
No design, simulate
No.
coverage.
Yeah, that'll be the shape of the windows and things. Hang on, I kind of want to try end simulation.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do it.
Alright, let's see what happens.
It just takes us back to the beginning.
Something happened.
Yeah, just took us back to the.
What do we have? We had window? No, view.
It's still there. There it goes.
Okay, I have no idea what I just did or why that worked. Alright. I got your ground for you. No, talk to. And enable. Alright, well, not what I wanted exactly, but seems to have worked. And we want enable and clock on top, because we can see them easily. So, enable and clock. And then we get make sure the sins are lined up. So sin load is going to be at the top of the sins. ASCII clear is going to be at the top of the ASCIIs. Okay. And then we had clock. And we're just going to clock the enable at 100. We're going to clock the clock at 10. Okay. Right. I like it. Okay. Yeah. So you can see the enable doing its magic. Right? So when you see enable at the top and it's down, none of the counters
No
changed.
counting.
It's just like we were talking about
Yeah,
earlier.
exactly.
Cool.
And our ground stayed at ground.
And ground, unsurprisingly, stayed at ground. Alright.
Oh man, that's fucking rad. I love this group. This is my best lab group ever.
Yeah. Alright, well.
Print out.
All right. You
Should
want
we
to print out?
Yeah, I should probably print this stuff out.
Do it.
Except
it.
that they were saying the printer doesn't work, so we'll...
Oh, they just got their shit. Oh, they did? Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's do it again, but shift the enable back to the way it was supposed to be. Right? Because we weren't supposed to do it with a goofy enable.
Word.
Cool. Yeah. Oh, it didn't change it.
I think you gotta remove everything again. Stop simulation.
Simulate.
And simulation.
Break.
I'm just trying to, we're trying to figure out what this is doing. Alright. Red lines.
We don't have any red lines.
Simulate.
I wonder if they got their clock. What all clocks?
I don't know when I
You don't have to use clock though, that's not part of the lab. We can do it again.
You have X's. You don't have.
What the hell?
did it again. Huh?
Yeah.
Did you win simulation?
Didn't you add all of these here? I think we added all these.
Yeah, we did. But I mean, I'm trying to get it so that the enable is back to being forced. We still haven't figured out why it changes sometimes and why it doesn't. That's super annoying.
I would delete all those out. And well, I just said clear. Or however you want to do it, but I think you have to start somewhere.
Hang on. I have an idea. Can I try something? No. I thought we'd be able to get a column for status or something.
Then we let, because I never went to clock and changed it
Gosh, well, I'm sorry. We had it in good shape, and then Let's end the simulation.
clock to clock on there, and then change it to.
There's got to be some way to just like restart simulation, right?
There should be.
There must be.
Is there not like a pause or something?
I don't want to just Google it. Restart simulation.
What was it? What'd you do?
Oh, I messed
What was that?
Oh, he
Oh,
just
I just
changed.
hit new
Untitled one,
Oh.
wave.
new column and it showed up.
So then the next thing is
Untitled.
set the name
But-
to 1.
I'll close that. But I don't want to close it and then close both.
Yeah, and close both of them.
Yeah.
For sure.
I don't know. What happens if we close the wave? I think we did that before and it didn't do anything.
You gotta drag them over.
Remove this cursor.
Try it.
I only did if you just do the output.
Oh, it's just the yellow line.
The thing is, I don't think the value got kept in the dragging over.
Snippet, it's on my flash drive. Well, we'll put that in our lab. It says to write a lab report, you know.
Well, at least we're getting stuff. Half the groups aren't getting anything.
Struggling.
That one. Oh.
So let's just, we could work on the statement of the results right now.
Explain that to me, please.
I
I don't think Christmas cards mean anything.
That's right. We need to make the cover sheet. Yeah, 3.
You just changed it to it's like running in the same
How come we don't have a print version? Anything to print with?
That's supposed to be 100 now, right? And why is it really why we subtract
Restart. Hit it.
What'd you do?
Well, so we started by first we got it to go
yours is
perfectly,
totally-
which was great, and then we decided to dick around and make the enable go on a clock.
Aren't
So
you
that's
supposed
why I-
Hit
to
OK.
make your duty
Oh,
cycle
it won't
100
keep it.
nanoseconds?
It won't.
instead of
It'll
picosecond?
keep it there. It's gone.
Oh, what'd you do?
We want to reset.
Oh,
Of all things.
Yeah,
Can I just see your thing?
where's reset?
Where was it, Gershon?
I forgot.
Was it in Simulate or Compiler?
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Runtime, yep.
Okay, also
Run.
you need to
Yeah.
change your
Run. Reset.
you need to change your default run to 100 nanoseconds too.
Yeah, we did that.
It says picosecond,
You just reset it.
but it was set 100
You
picoseconds
said
when I
an
walked up
enable,
to.
right?
Oh well, I didn't know that. You want to click here? Right here, Gershon.
Gosh, I wonder if there's some level at which it's
Wait,
stops.
Yeah.
Just 100
Pico.
nanoseconds. You can just type in NS too. You don't have to.
Okay.
Just delete the P and put the N. PS. And then make sure put a space in between 100 and N. I think that's important.
Persnickety little program, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it'll get yeah, and then simulate 100. Did you make your clock?
We're good from here. Thanks, Chris.
You got it? You got it.
All
So
right.
change that to 1.
Yep.
Delay for nothing.
Nope, no delay.
Enable clock.
Clock it. Yep.
It was supposed to.
Yeah, 10.
Should have asked him that too.
Hope it works this time. All right.
10 o'clock again. Oh,
Oh, there were. Oh, there's 2 enables. We should delete one of the enables. We only need one.
really?
Well,
What
let's
if
change
we
this to
change
10
the
first.
second one?
Yeah, let's change this first. Well, because we changed, so we set the second enable to clock, which I don't think is a good idea. So
So we
let's
should have
delete.
removed it, huh?
Let's delete one of the enables and then make sure it's back off.
Oh yeah, we have 2 enabled.
Yeah, so let's get rid of one of them. And then make sure the other one's set to force, because I worry that when we change the second one, it changed the first one too.
Still at 1.
Looks okay.
100 up.
I
10
don't
period.
Alright, let's try running it. Whoop!
That looks really nice. Is that right? picoseconds.
Well, I don't know why enable is. Look, enable got.
Look at how I stacked those.
Enable is oscillating.
Double did it.
I cannot explain red colors. Ask Swagger.
You just told Ben what they were.
So for some reason, when we go through these force and clock menus, it doesn't always stick. I don't know what's up with that. That's super obnoxious.
I mean, we probably don't. Maybe we don't have to. I don't know.
There's only two two signals that you should
Well, you know, I have it.
in the enable.
You can just download it really quick.
What do you mean? Oh,
And just,
yeah.
Sure.
And you do that after you drag it over.
So maybe
right?
you just have to do this every time? God, that's a pain.
Yeah, it's hella tedious.
Jeez, this program is so full of
Cumbersome.
bugs.
Clock's not even on there right now.
Maybe they should update to Windows 8. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Just like we
All
would
right.
expect it to in the
Just wanted to see.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think
Went
there's
back
anything we
again?
can do that'll make it change that. It's- for some reason, sometimes it's running at 10 and it says 100. Oh, damn it. Oh,
saying,
you know what? Just run it 10 more times and we'll call it a day.
with our
Wait, where's our Zoom
all said in the airport.
thing that we had?
No, I think it zoomed all right. It just needs to run more times.
Okay.
Yeah.
Simulate.
What did I
Should have
change?
just max out.
So here's my file.
Oh,
I changed it.
you know what I think the problem might be?
What's up?
When Chris Wells told us to change that box on the top, I don't think that's the box that we needed to change. So remember how before we went to runtime options to set it to 100 down?
100? Yeah.
I'm thinking that might be.
Well, look. Now these are back at
Yeah, they're reading in picoseconds, but if you can see there, like
Those
that's
hash marks in
that's
between?
200 nanoseconds because that's how big a picosecond is. Hang on, can I steer for a second? So, I don't know what that does, but we're gonna go simulate runtime options. Yeah, that's bullshit. Isn't it 100?
it just changed the box again.
Oh, they're the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so that wasn't it.
you'll notice that it didn't run fine.
Let's just try this one more time. 10 nanoseconds. Hopefully that.
You can have a period of 10. I guess.
Can you go back to enable and change it to phase?
Well, enable's doing the right thing.
Okay, oh yeah.
The problem is the clock is not clocking.
So when you do a run again, it'll tack it on to the end of this.
Just
So
10.
each time you run it,
Maybe you just have to keep doing it over and over and over again.
We need it to actually go out to 120 now.
Yeah.
Maybe you just have to do it twice.
Or maybe it has to do with that.
And why did it run to
put it
Glitch that you see right here,
100?
that's
Oh, enable is 1.
right there where the arrows point.
Why did it run to 400? That's
Dude, I don't know.
400 what?
Is that
400 nanoseconds or 400,000
that
picoseconds?
looks like
400,000.
yeah, 400,000
Which
picoseconds.
is the same as 400 nanoseconds. Well, maybe we can. Oh, what did I just do?
Couldn't tell you, Max. But that's our top level. Looks like. There it goes.
Okay, well, I say screw it. Let's print this and call it a day.
Not always all that bad. Sometimes you'll see
That's exactly what we want.
Robbie wants to see it on the screen, but yeah, print it up.
Well, and then we can ask him what the heck is going on with this bullshit.
sometimes you'll see
From 0 to 400.
What are we? Does someone know the name of our printer?
unless you want to play with it.
It sounds like the printer's running over there.
Yeah. I just don't know which one it is.